Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to capture your interest. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started, this video will provide valuable insights and information that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together. Inflation can have a significant impact on logistics and manufacturing costs, including raw materials, energy, and goods transport. In an inflationary environment, the supply chain may encounter obstacles such as shipping delays, production line bottlenecks, and warehouse stockouts. But fear not, there are strategies that can help mitigate the effects of inflation. So, what exactly is supply chain inflation? It is a phenomenon caused by an imbalance between supply and demand, leading to an overall increase in the price of products and services over a given period of time. Inflation represents a challenge for global supply chains as stakeholders must enhance their stock visibility, improve their logistics planning, and cut production costs to remain competitive. But how does inflation affect the supply chain? Rising logistics and manufacturing costs are not the only consequences of inflation. Changes in demand have led to bottlenecks and stockouts, posing a challenge to supply chains worldwide. Procurement becomes more complex during inflationary periods, and sales and operating processes require a more focused, detailed, and agile planning approach. However, there are tools to mitigate supply chain inflation. Logistics planning is an effective strategy for reducing the effects of inflation, and digitizing your logistics operations with tools such as EasyWMS can help you monitor the performance of your supply chain and identify improvement opportunities. Other strategies include supply chain control towers, digital twins, and flexible logistics. In conclusion, inflation affects the performance of supply chains around the world, but technology solutions can help companies anticipate disruptions or gain real-time visibility of stock to fulfill product demand. By digitizing logistics operations, businesses can increase their supply chain visibility and make informed decisions based on real performance, leading to improved efficiency and productivity in the warehouse. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.